It is necessary to supplement trace minerals in beef and dairy diets because usually there's one or more trace minerals that are deficient in the natural feed ingredients. So unless we supplement what's naturally present in the diet, we're likely to run into deficiencies. Little is known really about the actual bioavailability of most trace minerals that occur naturally in feedstuffs. The deficiency signs vary depending on the mineral. It can result in decreased growth, decreased milk production in the case of lactating dairy cows. It can result in reduced immune response. It can cause structural problems such as lameness, broken bones, all types of different conditions depending again on the trace mineral. There's three major sources of trace minerals are added to diets today. One would be inorganic trace minerals. The main ones that would be added would be sulfate forms. These are water soluble, they have a very weak bond, and they tend to be converted to the ionic form very easily. On the other hand, organic trace minerals would be another category. These are trace minerals that are chemically bound through covalent bonds to either carbon groups or amino groups, and these are usually considered more bioavailable because the mineral is not being as easily converted to the ionic form. Then the third type would be the hydroxy trace minerals, which is the most recent category. This group has covalent bonds, but instead of carbon, it's with hydroxy groups and chloride. These minerals also are not water soluble, but in the acid environment of the gut, they do start becoming soluble over time and converted to a form that can be absorbed. The sulfates are going to become soluble right away as soon as they hit the rumen, even start becoming soluble in the mouth. And when they are converted to an ionic form, they are free to bind to different things in the rumen. We call these antagonists that can decrease the absorption of the trace minerals. On the other hand, the organic trace minerals and the hydroxy trace minerals, by being covalently bonded, they are not as likely to interact, plus the hydroxy trace minerals particularly are not soluble in the rumen, so we're pretty much bypassing the rumen with those and presenting them down the tract where many of the interactions have already taken place that would occur with the trace minerals.